So now let's see how we can work around with the center wipe effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip, and if I want to use the center wipe effect, then I need to go around over here under the effects right here, and then I need to go under animations. That is because this is an animation. So over here you can see that the first option right here is center wipe. So if I were to go around and click and drag this around over here on this particular footage, then you can see the center wipe effect right here. This is like a transition, as you can see this like this. So you can see that there's the reveal length right here. So you can go around and change it out so that it changes out the length of the reveal right here. And similarly, you can go around and change around the conceal length over here as well. So you can see that it goes around and changes around the length of the conceal right here. You can go around and change around the gradient size, as you can see right here. So you can make it more sharp right here, just like this. So you get more like this of a reveal, or you can go around and change around the gradient size to make it more softer as well. You can go around and change around the direction of the center wipe as well, and change around the position as well. You can also go around and change around the position of the wipe by clicking and dragging this little dot right here. And this is the effect that you have, as you can see right here, just like this, by using center wipe effect. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe